Now we are going to work on a unit under data modeling called create object relationships. In this challenge, you will build a custom schema to track campsite data. In order to do this, you need to create the ability for many users to reserve many campsites. This will require a many-to-many relationship because the campsite, the users, and the reservations. First, we need to create an object with campsite as the label and object name. The object must have the resulting API name of campsite. We are on our developer edition account. Click on setup. Search for create. Click on the button next to create. Select objects. We are going to name our object as campsite. Click new object. Our object label is campsite and plural label becomes campsites, and the object name pops up automatically. The name field for the campsite must be a text type, not auto number. This is the standard field which would be created automatically when we create this object. So the field name is campsite name and data type is text. Leave the remaining sections as they are and click save. Add a custom field to campsite with the type text area long with the field name and the label of description. The API name should be description _C. The field should have the default character length of 32,768. We are going to create a custom field under this object. Click new, which is next to custom fields and relationships. Our data type is text area long. Select that and click next. The label is description. Length is 32,768. Move to the next step. Leave this section as it is and move to the next step. Click save. The API name of the field which we created just now is description _C. Now, create an object with the label campsite reservation and the object name of campsite _reservation. The resulting API name should be campsite reservation _C. So we need to create one more custom object. Click setup. Search for create. Under create, select objects. Click new object. Our object label is custom reservation and object name pops up automatically and a plural label becomes campsite reservations. The name field for campsite reservation must be auto number type, not text. Use CR 4 zeros as the display format for the name field and a starting number of 1. So our standard field name is campsite reservation name. However, it should be of type auto number. The format is given over here. CR 0000 and starting number is 1. Enter 1 here. Leave the remaining sections as they are and click save. Add a custom field to campsite reservation with the type lookup related to user object with the field name and label of user and child relationship name of campsite _reservations. The resulting API name should be user _C. Now we need to create a custom field under this object. So click on new, which is next to custom fields and relationships, and select the data type as lookup relationship. Click next. We are relating it to an object called user. Search for user under this. Here is the user. Select it and click next. Our field label is user. Once you put your cursor on this and remove it, the field name pops up automatically, and our child relationship name is campsite underscore reservations. Click next. Leave this section as it is. Click next. Click save. Next, add a custom field to campsite reservation with the type date, with the field label start date, and the name of start underscore date. The resulting API name should be start underscore date double underscore C. So we need to create one more custom field under this. Click new. The data type is date. So the data type is date. Click next. Field label is start date and field name pops up automatically. Click next. Leave this section as it is. Click next. And then save. Now add one more custom field to campsite reservation with the type date, with the field label end date and name of end underscore date. The resulting API name should be end underscore date double underscore C. We are creating one more custom field. Click new. The data type is again date. Click next. The field label is end date. Field name pops up automatically. Click next. Leave this section as it is. Click next and then click save. Now add a custom field to campsite reservation with the type master detail related to the campsite object with the field name and label of campsite. The child relationship name of campsite reservations. The resulting API name should be campsite double underscore C. Now we are creating one more field. Click new. Select the data type as master detail relationship and click next. It is related to campsite. Select campsite. Click next. Put your cursor on this and remove it, and the field name comes up automatically, and our child relationship name is campsite underscore reservations. Click next. Leave this step as it is. Leave this section as it is and move to the next step. And then click next. And then see. The resulting API name should be campsite double underscore C. This is the field which we just created, and the API name is campsite double underscore C. So we are done with this unit.